Hello viewers, my name is Okwir Margaret from Kampala Parent School. You are watching Kampala Parent School TV. I believe you are okay at home there, following the government directive. That's why you see Mrs. Okwir doing this. You at home there, you have to wash your hands properly. Make sure that you apply what is there, what is supposed to be applied, and what you can afford. Because you really, if you do this, it means you love your country, you love your nation, you love your people, you love Mrs. Okwir, you love the people at home, so that we avoid the infectious COVID-19. I believe that you have now completed the holiday package which you have taken. So we want to make you busy. How? We are handling a topic which we already started on. But before we go to that, I want you to have the following mental work. Number 1, write any 3 properties of an isosceles triangle. 2, write the following words correctly. The first one, circumference. The second one, radius. The third one, diameter. Now, I'm only going to write for you down number 2. But the first one, I want to mention those properties. I will give you 5, and out of the 5, you mark the 3 you have written. 1, the base angles are equal. Those are the base angles of an isosceles triangle. 2, 2 opposite sides are equal of an isosceles triangle. 3, it has one line of folding symmetry. 4, the interior angle sum of an isosceles triangle is 180 degrees. The 5th one, the exterior angle of an isosceles triangle is 360 degrees. Now let us write number 2. I said circumference. Number 2, radius. Number 3, diameter. Out of the 6 numbers, mark. And what you have got, if you have got 4, write 4 out of 6. You can put there good if you want. If you have got all of them, it means you're going to write 6 out of 6. And write there, very good. Now, as I told you before that we started a topic, from this, we are going to take these 2. Finding the diameter when given the radius. That is exactly what we are going to do. But before we go to it direct, I want to do some practical work to drive us there. So now we have practical work. Our practical work is going to be drawing a circle and measuring the diameter. Draw it using the given radius And then to find the diameter, we are going to measure it direct. So the first one we are going to draw, I want you to have the following materials. I have mine here. You have a pair of divider, should be there. Transfer your measurement from the diagram to the ruler. I want you to get a pair of this. So now we are going to, the first one, radius equals 2 meters. The second one, radius equals 3 centimeters. And then the last one is the third with radius 2.5 centimeters. Let us start with the drawing. You have compasses and your pencil. Make sure that you have tried it and firm. So I'm going to get the ready my ruler. I will get 2 centimeters from the ruler. Then again, 3 centimeters, because I want to do the drawing first. Then the last I get 2.5. I first get the radius. This one is 4 centimeters. This one is 3 centimeters. And then the last one is 2.5 centimeters. Now the remaining part from here, if we connect, this is our center. Now for us to draw this from one part of the circumference to another part of the circumference through the center, we shall have brought in the diameter. There I use the dotted line. Hello viewers, my name is Okwir Margaret from Kampala Parent School. You are watching Kampala Parent School TV. I believe you are okay at home there, following the government directive. That's why you see Mrs. Okwir doing this. You at home there, you have to wash your hands properly. Make sure that you apply what is there, what is supposed to be applied, and what you can afford. Because you really, if you do this, it means you love your country, you love your nation, you love your people, you love Mrs. Okwir, you love the people at home, so that we avoid the infectious COVID-19. I believe that you have now completed the holiday package which you have taken. So we want to make you busy. How? We are handling a topic which we already started on. But before we go to that, I want you to have the following mental work. Number 1, write any 3 properties of an isosceles triangle. 2, write the the following words correctly. The first one, circumference. The second one, radius. The third one, diameter. Now, I'm only going to write for you down number 2. But the first one, I want to mention those properties. I will give you 5, and out of the 5, you mark the 3 you have written. 1, the base angles are equal. Those are the base angles of an isosceles triangle. 2, two opposite sides are equal of an isosceles triangle. 3, it has one line of folding symmetry. 4, the interior angle sum of an isosceles triangle is 180 degrees. The 5th one, the exterior angle of an isosceles triangle is 360 degrees. Now let us write number 2. I said circumference. Number 2, radius. Number 3, diameter. Out of the 6 numbers, mark. And what you have got, if you have got 4, write 4 out of 6. You can put there good if you want. If you have got all of them, it means you're going to write 6 out of 6. And write there, very good. Now, as I told you before that we started a topic, from this, we are going to take these 2. Finding the diameter when given the radius. That is exactly what we are going to do. But before we go to it direct, I want to do some practical work to drive us there. So now we have practical work. Our practical work is going to be drawing a circle and then measuring the diameter. Draw it using the given radius, and then to find the diameter, we are going to measure it direct. So the first one we are going to draw, I want you to have the following materials. I have mine here. You have a ruler, a pair of divider should be there to transfer your measurement from the diagram to the ruler. I want you to get a pair of compasses. So now we are going to draw the first one with radius equals 2 centimeters. The second one with radius equals 3 centimeters. And then the last one, which is the third, with radius 2.5 centimeters. So let us start with the drawing. Get your pair of compasses and your pencil. Make sure that you have tried it and it is firm. So I'm going to get the radius from my ruler. get 2 centimeters from the ruler. Then again, I get 3 centimeters because I want to do the drawing first. Then the last one, I get 2.5. I first write the radius. This one is 2 centimeters. This one is 3 centimeters. And then the last one is 2.5 centimeters. Now the remaining part from here, if we connect, this is our center. Now for us to draw this from one part of the circumference to another part of the circumference through the center, we shall have brought in the diameter. There I use the dotted line. After that, I'm now going to pick my pair of divider. As I've already told you that the pair of divider is, its work is to transfer the measurement from the diagram to the ruler. Part A, B, C, D, E, F. The line AB is the diameter. Here CD is the diameter. And then EF is the diameter. So we want to get the length now. I want to carry this thing slowly so that you are able to see it. Look, it has given us 4 centimeters. So that is exactly what I'm going to write. I will say here, diameter equals 4 centimeters. Then I go to the other one. It has given us 6 centimeters. I believe you are able to see it properly. So I'm going to write that one down. The diameter equals 6 centimeters. Then I go to the last one. And I go back to my ruler. It has given me now we go to our findings. is 2 centimeters, the diameter becomes 4 centimeters. When the radius is 3 centimeters, the diameter becomes 6 centimeters. When it is 2.5 centimeters, the diameter gives us 5 centimeters. What is our observation now? Let me write it down. I want to use the middle one, the biggest. Here is the radius. And here is also the radius. Because I believe that here is 3 centimeters. And what do we get 3 to this? We get 6. So it means here is also 3 centimeters. Now, the first thing I've seen there, you write it down so that you are able to see it properly. One, I've seen that there are 2 radii in 1 diameter. That is the first thing I've seen. There are 2 radii in 1 diameter. One here and there's another one here. When we add this and that, we get meters. Number 2. 1 radius. 1 radius is 2.5 a diameter. I'm to get now the diameter. Out of what we have written, we say well the diameter. We are going to say diameter equals, what do you do? I believe many of you, they want to put up their hands, but I'm not seeing you. Are you getting that? I believe put up your hands. What have I done? Or what can we do? We are able to do it without the block. Diameter equals 2 times the radius. I can use smaller. We can simplify 2 times r. What do we get? We get 2r. Therefore, diameter equals 2. This is something I want you to highlight it. You can get your color and you color that part. Or let us see if we take the second observation. How shall we arrive there? We have to say 1 radius equals what? Half a diameter. So we say radius. Let me write it as radius equals a half d. I'm going to use capital letter